In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Wix website. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in using your Google account, and you'll know exactly what to expect along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to wix.com. Type it directly into the address bar and press enter. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official site. You should see a secure connection indicator in the address bar, and the URL should simply be wix.com. This tiny check helps you avoid copycat pages and makes sure you're in the right place. If you plan to come back often, consider bookmarking the page so it's just one click away next time. Once the Wix homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Log In. On some screens, especially on smaller laptops or mobile devices, this may appear as a person icon or within a menu. If you don't see it immediately, scroll up to the very top or expand the site menu. Occasionally, a cookie banner or a promotional strip might cover the header. Closing that will reveal the login option. You'll now be on the sign-in screen. Here, choose Continue with Google. This is a fast, secure method that links your Google identity to Wix without sharing your Google password with Wix. It uses Google's sign-in flow, which is especially convenient if you're already signed into Google in the same browser. If you manage multiple Wix sites or collaborate with teams, using your Google account helps you keep things consistent and reduces the chance of mixing credentials. A small Google window or tab will appear with a list of Google accounts you're currently signed into on that device. Simply select the Google account you use for Wix. If you're already signed into the correct account, it might be just a single click. If prompted, review the brief notice about connecting your account and proceed through any quick confirmations that appear. These prompts are normal and help keep your login secure. After you select your Google account, you'll be redirected back to Wix and signed in. You should see your Wix dashboard, where you can access your sites, manage settings, or start building. If your dashboard doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to load or refresh the page. That's it. You went to wix.com, opened the login page, continued with Google, and selected your Google account. Keep this flow in mind for the next time you sign in, and consider staying signed in on your trusted device to make future logins even faster.